Hi members, Miss Heidi here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for honey applesauce cake. So for this recipe you'll need 3 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of honey, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, and 2.5 cups of unsweetened applesauce. You'll also need 2 large bowls, a baking dish, I'll be using this bread pan, and a whisk. So let's get started. First, start with one of your large bowls, and we're going to add 3 cups of flour. Here's 1. 2. 3. Next, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of baking soda. 1, 2, and 3. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And 2. And whisk this together. And set it aside. And take your next big bowl. And we're going to start with our half a cup of butter, slightly melted. And next, 1.5 cups of sugar. A half a cup. 1 cup. And 1.5. Next, a half a cup of honey. And mix this together. Next, our 2 eggs. In there. And mix that. and our 2.5 cups of applesauce. And mix that up. And next, take our flour mixture and slowly add some in. And mix it up. And here's your mixture. Now take your greased baking pan and pour your mixture inside. And I have enough mixture for 2. So now bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. After baking my honey applesauce cake, this is how it turned out. And here's a close-up on one of the slices. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.